Hi, I'm Matt from SignalWorks. Today we're talking about the RB-LED. You can find out more about this product as well as our audible and visual signal products and add-on solutions at signalworks.com. The RB-LED is a large LED strobe. It's available in DC version, which is 12 and 24 volt. It has a large lens with Fresnel diffusion. It has an integrated base mount. Included with the light are a gasket and hardware for mounting the light. It's available in red, amber, blue, and green and clear are available upon request. The lights come with wire leads for wiring, and they also have multiple modes. I have a light set up for demonstration purposes, and I'll run through the modes. So this here is the 2-burst flash. This is the 6-burst flash. And the last one is the rotating beacon emulation. If you're looking for the effect of a kind of older-fashioned rotating beacon, but LED. So, with any other questions about this product, please give us a call or visit signalworks.com. Thank you.